2025 Honda Rebel 1100T DCT, the ultimate touring cruiser. Full review and features. Are you ready for the ultimate blend of cruiser style, touring capability, and cutting-edge technology? Meet the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100T DCT, a premium bagger-style cruiser designed for riders who crave adventure, comfort, and effortless performance. In this video, we take a deep dive into everything this incredible machine has to offer, from its powerful engine and automatic transmission to its sleek design and advanced features. Power and performance. At the heart of the Rebel 1100T lies a 1084cc parallel twin engine, derived from Honda's legendary Africa Twin. With its liquid-cooled, SOHC, 4-valve per cylinder design, this engine delivers a thrilling blend of torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty backroads, the Rebel 1100T offers effortless power with a distinctive, throaty exhaust note. One of the standout features of this model is Honda's dual-clutch transmission DCT, allowing for seamless, clutch-free shifting. Riders can choose between manual paddle shifting or fully automatic modes, making it one of the easiest and most enjoyable bikes to ride in its class. Design and comfort. The 2025 Rebel 1100T DCT embraces a bagger-inspired design, featuring factory-installed hard saddlebags that provide 35 liters of storage per side, perfect for long-distance touring. The large front fairing adds wind protection, enhancing comfort on extended rides. Ergonomics are designed for all-day riding comfort, with a low 27.5-inch seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars that offer a relaxed yet confident riding posture. The blacked-out aesthetic, combined with bold paint options, gives this bike a modern and aggressive look. Technology and features. The Rebel 1100T comes equipped with Honda's latest technology to enhance safety and riding dynamics. Checkmark throttle-by-wire with 4 riding modes: Standard, Sport, Rain, and User mode for a customizable experience. Checkmark Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC with wheelie control, ensuring smooth traction and stability. Checkmark Anti-Lock Braking System ABS for confident braking in various road conditions. Checkmark Full LED lighting, providing excellent visibility and a sleek, futuristic appearance. Checkmark LCD instrument panel, displaying essential ride information with clarity. Who is it for? The 2025 Honda Rebel 1100T DCT is perfect for riders looking for a versatile, stylish, and easy-to-ride cruiser. Whether you're a seasoned touring rider or someone stepping up from a smaller cruiser, this bike delivers the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and convenience. Final thoughts. With its powerful engine, automatic transmission, touring capabilities, and premium design, the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100T DCT is one of the best cruiser motorcycles on the market. If you're looking for a bike that can handle city streets, highway cruising, and long-distance adventures with ease, this is the perfect ride for you. Red circle like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and content. Motorcycle, what do you think about the new Rebel 1100T? Let us know in the comments below.